Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from this company. They're looking for a general manager CEO. It pays up to $180,000 per year. The general manager CEO is a newly created position and will report directly to a board of directors and lead the creation of a new for-profit carbon general management company. She will direct its growth and development to a more mature organization capable of delivering on its long-term vision. Specifically, she or he will ensure that fiscal, operations, fundraising, marketing, human resource, technology, and programmatic strategies are effectively implemented across all segments of the organization. Position purpose. It is envisioned that this new organization will work in partnership with its sister nonprofit and possibly other associated organizations or companies to create a global portfolio of nature-based projects that will produce certified carbon offsets as well as other social, environment, and community benefits. Strategic vision and leadership function. Collaborate with the founding board to develop and implement the formation of a new carbon business and create a dynamic strategic plan while ensuring that budget, staff, and priorities are aligned with the core mission and vision. Set the vision for the company and defining the overall strategy from launch to scale. Oversee the development of a global portfolio of high-quality nature-based carbon projects to offer to select corporate clients. Provide inspirational leadership and direction to all staff and ensure the continued development and management of a professional and efficient organization. Establish effective decision-making processes that will enable achievement of its long and short-term goals and objectives. Cultivate a strong and transparent working relationship with the board and ensure open communication about the measurement of financial, programmatic, and impact performance against stated milestones and goals. Reporting updates to the board of directors and corporate stakeholders regarding progress on strategic goals. Managing competition and threats in the marketplace with constant evaluation of the financial structure, capital strategy, and strategic objectives. Being the public champion for the business. Establishing credibility throughout the customer and partner network. Development. Identifying investment opportunities to successfully complete an initial capital investment raise of at least 100M. Ensure that the flow of funds permits One Carbon to make continuous progress towards the achievement of its mission and that those funds are allocated properly to reflect present needs and future potential. Formulate and execute comprehensive marketing, branding, and development strategies that will ensure consistency throughout the organization and enhance revenue from major donors, foundations, government agencies, and corporations. Building strategic partnerships and relationships to drive growth. Driving growth, profitability, and company value. Developing and implementing scalable and efficient strategies to ensure consistent results and exponential growth. Owning the operational budget and managing burn rate. Building and strengthening infrastructure and operations. Ensure the delivery of high-quality services while managing for current and future growth. Attracting, retaining, and developing world-class talent. Cultivating a high-performing and agile team culture. Driving day-to-day operations. Aligning resources to achieve key business goals. Support and motivate the organization's staff. Facilitate internal communications with staff throughout the new organization. Create and promote a positive, multicultural work environment that supports consistency throughout the organization. Provide expert guidance to all departments, including operations, sales, and product. Oversee the financial status of the organization, including developing long and short-range financial plans, monitoring the budget, and ensuring sound financial controls are in place. Set financial priorities accurately to ensure the organization is operating in a manner that supports the needs of the program and staff. Position requirements. Education, minimum of an MBA, MPA, or related advanced degree. Related experience, at least 15 to 20 years of overall professional experience. Prior nonprofit or for-profit leadership experience ideal. Management of a global or multi-site organization preferred. Experience in carbon markets and carbon project development a significant plus. Significant board development, creation of investment portfolio and different investment vehicles, fundraising, marketing, branding, and fiscal management experience a must. A financially savvy and politically astute leader with the ability to set clear priorities, delegate, and guide investment in people and systems, keen analytic, organization, and problem-solving skills which support and enable sound decision-making. excellent coalition building skills with an ability to communicate and work effectively with a variety of internal and external stakeholders, a persuasive negotiator able to achieve consensus amongst differing opinions, outstanding presentation and communication skills, and the experience and proclivity to be an outgoing spokesperson, relationship builder, and fundraiser. Strong commitment to the professional development of staff, successful track record of recruiting and retaining a diverse team. Ideal location, remote, Boston, Montreal. Flexible work environment, competitive PTO plan, health and wellness plans for U.S. staff, yearly bonus, retirement plans with competitive employer contribution, travel opportunities, international and domestic.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.